as possible before we head back to the mainland and the tidal. Thank you for your contact. PA1 LEG 4AKC portable, over.
MW6HNN. Bloody noise here today, unbelievable.
Absolutely, I get out quite often at home, so look forward to the QSO when we're back at the home QTH. Big signal from you as well. Have a good afternoon, 73s, and a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November. There's some noise today.
Likewise, very good signal here as well. Good propagation this afternoon, and it's nice to be out here in Holy Island off the northeastern coast of the UK. All the best 73s and have a good one. Papa Delta 0, Echo Zulu Lima, G4AKC, South Portable in Holy Island, over.
MW6HNN.
It's Alpha Kilo Charlie, AKC, QSL. That's correct, yeah, no problem. Okay, 73s and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November. Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November.
Mike 0, Juliet Alpha Hotel. Thanks for the call, you're 59 plus, over. Okay, John, very good. Nice propagation this afternoon. We also have some DX propagation as well, so it's good all round. Thanks very much, John, for the QSO. More information on QRZ.com. A pleasure to meet you. M0JAH.
Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November. Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November.
Yeah, stand by Europe a moment, please. Stand by Europe. QRZ, is there any DX outside of Europe, please? Any DX outside of Europe? And please, the DX outside of Europe calling up. No, it's negative. I've got a high noise level here now. QRZ, G4AKC portable, over.
Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November. Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November. Mexico Whiskey 6, Hotel November, November.
Roger QSL, Golf India 0, Delta Uniform Papa, thanks for the call. You're 59 plus, very strong signal. My name is Dave, over. Okay, very good, Roger. Well, I'm in Holy Island on the coast of the UK, and the home QTH is a little closer to you. It's in Blackpool. But thank you for the signal report. All the best, Roger. We'll see if we can work a few more while AC portable 73s.
Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November. Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November.
Okay, I lost you there, Roger. So many other callers. Anyway, all the best if you're still there, Roger. I've got Golf 4 Zulu Tango Quebec. You were 5 and 9 plus on the call in, have I?
Noise is unbelievable. I'm getting some electrical interference here local. It's not usually like that at all. It's not the conditions, it's really bad, the noise here at the moment.
Okay, John, 10 over 9, John, lovely signal and good short skip propagation all over the UK and across to Holland as well. Thanks again, John, 73s, and have a good one. Bye-bye.
Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November.
Station, please, over. Sugar Ocean 55 kilo, Echo 55 kilo. Okay, Sugar Ocean 55 kilo, thanks for the call, 5 and 9. Good afternoon, 59 and low power, 10 watts on the other end of the smart Mike Alpha, kilo MAL, okay. You're 5 and 9, QSL, and the 10 watts is doing a great job for you. Solid S9 here in Holy Island, TTH Holy Island, off the northeastern coast of the UK. All the best to you, Mark 73s. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye. Okay, Mark, yeah. QSL information is all correct on QR then. All the best, Mark. Bye-bye.
Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November.
Papa Delta 0 Charlie Quebec. Thanks for the call. 59 plus. Roger QSL Pierre. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate it. 73s and all the best from Holy Island. Over.
Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November.
Bye.
Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November.
Papa Echo 1 Echo Charlie Oscar 5 and 9. Okay, very good indeed. Yeah, I'm not familiar with that radio. It's a lovely little radio. It's quite old now, isn't it? But it's a nice radio and working very well with the 20 watts. So nice to work you from the home station as well as portable, of course. 73s and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November.
Again, bye-bye.
Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November.
Bravo 9 station, ever. Yeah, I didn't get the call sign there. Ending November, the HB9 station, ever. Okay, Roger. Hotel Bravo 9, Delta Echo November. Thanks for the call. Very good signal. Yeah, you're 5 and 9 on the UK. We're on Holy Island, which is off the coast of Northumberland. And you're a beautiful signal here onto the pedestrian mobile setup that I'm using on the beach area, ever. Okay, so it's going to hold you on station. This afternoon. All the best from Holy Island. Bye-bye.
Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel, November, November.
Mike Whiskey 6, please.
Yeah, Mike Whiskey 6, Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel, November, November, Dave, QSL.
QSL, Mike Whiskey 6, Hotel, November, November. Thanks for the call. Good 5 and 9, 5 and 9 plus here, the name you've got correct, have
Yeah, QSL, Dave. You're 5 and 7 to 20 dB over 9 with fast QSB there, and to Tembe in the southwest coast of Wales. Golf 4 Alpha Kilo Charlie Stroke Portable Mike Whiskey 6 Hotel November, November. Name is Darren there, Dave. Over.
Okay, very good, Darren, and thank you very much for the info and the report. Appreciate it. Very windy here right now. Some pretty big gusts coming through. The antenna is no longer vertical. It's sort of on a banana shape at the moment. Thanks so much, Darren. 73s, and have a good one. Bye-bye.
Cheers, Dave. Hex Beam in a 7610. Good luck, 73.
Papa Alpha 2, Lima Oscar.